Hello dear crocheters! I have some important information for you that will make it easier for many to use my video tutorials on crocheting toys. So be sure to watch this video. According to YouTube analytics, I see that my masterclasses are watched all over the world, and you often write comments in a variety of languages. I am very pleased. Thank you very much. I decided to improve the quality, convenience and value of my videos. Starting with the next masterclass, the format will be slightly changed, which will allow you to use two important YouTube functions, namely subtitles and dubbing, that is, voice acting in your language. From now on, English subtitles will be embedded in the video and placed at the top of the screen. But you will also be able to turn on subtitles in YouTube and choose the language you need. The subtitles are typed and added to YouTube manually, proofread and tagged, and not generated automatically. This guarantees the highest quality translation into any language. If anyone doesn't know, subtitles are turned on here, at the bottom of the screen, and you can choose a translation into any language. The second important point is the ability to use dubbing. English is not my native language, but in order to have access to an audience around the world, I mastered this language. And recently I learned that you can turn on dubbing in YouTube, that is, voice acting in 5 languages such as German,
Hallo zusammen, ich heiße Tatjana Maidensa und ihr seid auf meinem Häkelkanal.
French,
Salut les gars, je m'appelle Tatiana Maidensa et vous êtes sur ma chaîne de crochet.
Spanish,
Hola chicos, mi nombre es Tatiana Maidensa y estáis en mi canal de crochet.
Portuguese,
Olá pessoal, meu nome é Tatiana Maidensa e vocês estão no meu canal de crochê.
Italian.
Ciao ragazzi, mi chiamo Tatiana Maidensa e siete sul mio canale di uncinetto.
When I recently turned on dubbing for the first time, I was very impressed by the world we are living in and what modern technology gives us. If you are already watching my videos and this information and functions will be useful for you, be sure to write in the comments from which country you are watching me. I read and answer everything. And it is not for nothing that I show this Easter bunny with an egg in his hands in this video. This will be the next masterclass in which all these functions will be available. So, see you soon. Thank you very much for crocheting with me.